Hey, I just want to say thank you so much for watching me do this awesome, huge, big, gigantic canvas. How big is it? Well, just look at this piece. It takes up the whole frame and it's over 4 feet. This is a big canvas that looks beautiful, and I think you should give it a shot. You want to try? Use the links down below. They all help support my channel. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And if you want to go above and beyond, you can become a YouTube channel member. You like these acrylic pours? You want to see bigger canvases, bigger, bolder colors, something different? Hey, check out the videos over to our side because you might be surprised what you find over there. And I'll catch you all next time. Take care, and of course, peace.